In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Hubstaff desktop app. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, I've got you covered with a simple and straightforward guide. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. Once you have that open, head over to the search bar, usually located right at the top of your browser page. You'll want to type in Download Hubstaff app on Windows or Mac. As you type, your browser might start suggesting websites or search results. Feel free to choose Google if it doesn't automatically appear, as it's usually the easiest and most straightforward platform for this kind of search. After hitting enter, you'll be presented with a list of search results. These generally include different links such as advertisements, official sites, or download pages. Your goal here is to find the official Hubstaff website, or the page where their software is offered for download. It's important to make sure that you're getting the app directly from their official site to avoid any potential issues with third-party downloads. You can identify the official Hubstaff link by looking for URLs that contain Hubstaff in their address. Once you click on the appropriate link, you'll be directed to the Hubstaff download page. Here, things are designed to be quite user-friendly. You should easily find options to download the app suitable for your operating system, Windows or Mac. Usually, the page will automatically detect your operating system and provide you with the correct download option at the top of the page. However, if it doesn't, scroll through and manually select the right version for your device. Before downloading, make sure to read any prompts or directions near the download button. They sometimes provide useful information about system requirements or installation steps that can help ensure a smooth setup process. Once you've confirmed you're downloading the correct version, you're ready to click on that download button.